Hi, Assalamualaikum. Good evening again. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix another issue, which I face at home, where I have to wash machine, the outlet, the water outlet that we have. There's only one hole. So how do we merge these two outlet from these two washing machines, and then going out through one single pipe? So I've bought some, I say, tools and some of interconnecting connectors that is not really a standard kind that you won't be able to get it off the shelf. So I've ordered it from Shopee. So this is how it looks, and this is how I do to resolve the issue. These are all the parts that I bought from Shopee, and this is the main outlet that will be in the hole, and then this will be the combiner that will be assembled to this. This is the screw type. You can see, should be able to see a thread here. Yeah. Then this is the two, how to say, the interconnecting parts that will link to the outgoing hose. That will, on the outgoing hose, will be coming into here, and then this will be connected to here. So it will be part of this junction T. So let me show you how to fix it. I'll be right back. First, this is my outlet hose from my front loader. So I've put the ring, the screw type ring that would tie up this part to this outlet. So I'm putting some white tape on the end to make sure that it will be tight and the water residue will not come through it once I fix it. So I just put some white tape here, so you don't worry about is if this doesn't fit, or it doesn't fit your outlet pipe. So it able to cater up to a hose that is size close to 2.7 inch, mm, and if I were to the largest would be like 27.7 mm. If I were to change it into inch, you can go up to 1 inch size, so it's quite big. You can cater for any kind of hose. So once you have your white tape, just assemble it. Just put it in like this, make sure that it's gone through. Then once it's already in, just tie it up, screw in this holder in nice and tight. Should be, yeah, that's good. So this is done on the first hose. So my second hose will be after this. This is my second hose from the top loader. So I've put the washer or the rubber that been provided. This is the other one, which due to my outlet hose is very small, so I'm not using it. So only for this I'll be using it. Then I'm putting some white tape on the other T-junction for this hose. Okay, I'm done here. Then I'm fixing this in, and see, put it nicely in, make it nice and tight. Okay. Okay, once it's in, just tighten up the screw. Okay, once everything has been fixed, should be like, could have to be a bit further in. Okay, this would be nice. Yeah, okay, this is the correct one. Okay, now it's tight, nicely fixed. So now I have two junction for my top loader, and the other one is for my front loader. So next, this will be like going through here, and this will be the junction combining. Yeah, it looks like this once it's done and complete. This is how it looks from behind both washing machine. This is the outgoing, so you can see there's a rubber washer here, so it should be going through this way. I fixed the T-junction and screw into the cover, and this should go directly into the hole like this. Once it is fixed, so there will be no water coming in back, so it has a trap together with it. So that's what's good about this. So when this is already been done, I will just need to fix this. Is coming from my front loader, so this way should just fix it, something like that. Okay, let me get that in. There you have it. I fixed it both, so both outlet pipes have been connected to the single hole. So now it's done. So there it is, a complete project for today.